Hi everybody, so this is for the this video is about how to create functions in R programming. And R programming is just a programming language for stats. So we should have RStudio downloaded by. Right now we have RStudio, we have console here, we can create a new script here. So R programming called its code as script. We can create a script. This is my script and that's my console. I'll just I will arrange my things. So my script is here, my console is here. So my function, I can call my function anything, but let's say I need a function to add two values. I'll call it add, and this is equal to sign for programming. So this means the value will be returned to this variable add. I need to use the reserved word function. I have parentheses. Function will take the arguments. I'll say x and y. So now addition of x and y will return. I need to have parentheses starting curly braces and ending curly braces. Now I will just say x plus y not equal to plus. I will say x plus y will be returned. In R programming, the last statement in a function will automatically return to the function, so I don't need to use any return statement here. I can control S to save this script. I can save it anywhere, but let's say I'm just saving it into C to my R. I already have R thing. I can call my script file anything. I'll just say first script. Saved. Now I need to load this whole function into my console, so I'll select this and I will say F5. The whole function comes into my console. I go there and I'll say give me the value of addition 1 comma 1. So give me addition of oops add. It returns 2. In R you can anytime press the upper arrow key and you will get to the last statement. So I'll just sit down here so it will return. Now that was one function. Let's say I need another function which returns me the vector. So vector is just a list in R programming. So I will say above. I can call it anything. So again the equal to sign, return the value function. What I need to do is two arguments here, and I will explain why I need two arguments. So my function is something which will return in a vector. X is a vector, will be a vector argument, and n is a value, integer value. So in the vector, if any value is over above the n, it should return to me. So let's say I use another so another variable called use, in which oops, if x is greater than n, then send it to use, and then I need to have the return the value x as a vector, but use means that all the values in x which are over the value of n, they are stored in use, and the use x, that part of a vector x will be returned. I can control S, save it and load it to my console. In my console, if I say above 1 colon 100 comma 90. So means I am asking return from in a vector of 1 to 100 values, return me all the values which are above 90, which are over 90. Apparently it return me all the values 90 from 91 to 100. Another function which I'm just thinking about is that sum of squares return me the value of in my vector. If I have vector from 90 to 100, square each value in the item, square it up, and then return me the sum of it. So I will say sum underscore sqr for sum square. Again same function, but you need to send me a value x, and then and what I will do is sum is a already a reserved function defined in R, so I will use the sum function. X cap 2 means that square of x, and return back to me. That's it. I don't need anything here. Control S, save it. I will load it here. I don't trust what I will do over here if it's going. So I can control in my console. I can hit Control L. It will clear my console. So I will again load the function here. What I will say is that sum of square I need from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10, values of 1 to 10, return me everything, return me sum. So it is 385. So that's all. That's how you write functions in R programming, and that's all the basic knowledge you need. There are more advanced functions you can find out about. That's the basic one. So let's hope it helps you out. Thank you.